In this video I visit 5 of my local miniature railway societies. The East Somerset Society at the Bath and West Showground near Shepton Mallet has a half-mile of 5-inch and 7¼ inch gauge track around an ornamental pond. Let's go for a ride leaving the clubhouse and station on a 180-degree curve and heading out into the country. You can see I've gathered some vegetation around the engine's brake gear from grass cuttings spread over the track. They have a set of sidings on the left for shunting enthusiasts. The track is nice and smooth with a concrete foundation and steel rail on plastic sleepers. My engine bounces a bit with the need for more dynamic balancing on the wheels and coupling rods. The next club I visited was at Coatwater near Swindon, run by the North Wiltshire Club. Easy unloading, plenty of space around the steaming bays, and a supply of coal and water if you need it. On goes my noisy sucker blower. Black on red, red on black, that's just a quirk of mine. After waiting 8 minutes or so, I start loading the firebox with coal and getting it burning through. I'll need a big fire with this lengthy track. The track is the longest in the area at 3/4 of a mile. And it's easy to lose your orientation running round and back through trees and tunnels. Carefully through the crossover, because I've derailed here before, then I'm off down the gradient. The track is built the same as the Bath and West, with steel rails on plastic sleepers laid on a concrete base. With straight and level sections and long gentle curves, I can get up some speed around the track. I've clocked up distances of 4 to 5 miles in an afternoon's running. Back at the beginning, where there's a signal box and a 3-road station. You can see my attempt to balance the loco with stick-on car wheel weights on the wheels. Now I'm at the Bristol Society track with my mate Graham and his Britannia at Ashton Court. It started out as a nice sunny day, but as soon as we got the locos into steam, it began to bucket down. I'm on their third of a mile of raised track. There is a ground level one as well, but I didn't get a chance to run on that. The tracks were laid with a fast straight round the back, where I can easily get the engine up to 10 miles an hour or more. These wheels and valve gear don't half spin round fast. I hope no nut falls off, including me. The rain has made the rails nice and greasy for a sliding stop. Here we are, Bristol, finishing the day. Never been quite so wet. How's it going, Graham?
Well, we've had showers today, I'm afraid.
My gas mechanical locomotive used to look like this. Now I've painted it and smartened it up. Off I go round the new ground level track at the West Wiltshire Club at Westbury, past the steaming bays and the new crossing gates. Round the back of the workshop I can open up and get a move on. Aluminium rails on plastic sleepers, set in rock chippings. Gives a smooth ride but needs more maintenance. These 2 points at either end of the passing loop are from my old American railway. A little bit of New Hampshire now residing, like me, in Wiltshire. That's enough non-steam action. Now for the raised track at the West Wilts with Joan. I've said it before, good coal is at the heart of good steaming. I can run round this track all afternoon with the safety valves popping. That's the Mike's wind gag hanging into shot top right. This part of the track is 600 feet of solid steel. Nothing like a run on a warm sunny afternoon. The final part of this story is a run at the Southampton Club at their Riverside track in Bitterne Park. I used to visit the track many years ago when I lived in the town. It's about 1,000 feet of raised track in a very pleasant park on the River Itchen. I gave Ollie, a young man who was helping out, the opportunity to drive Joan. That's it for this quick roundup of some of the tracks in the southwest of England. They were all very welcoming and well worth a visit. I'll list the club's websites in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Also hit the thanks button and drop me the price of a coffee to support the channel. See you here next time.